It's shorter, it's sharper, and it's fully redesigned. The new 2013 Honda Accord has new transmissions to help improve 4-cylinder and V6 fuel efficiency, and it's arrived at Motor World Honda. The new Honda Accord comes in 2 models: the sedan, available in 6 different trims, or the coupe model, available in 4 different trims. The base Accord will use a new direct-injected 2.4-liter 4-cylinder rated at 185 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque. The sports trim adds an additional 4 horsepower. The 3.5-liter V6 engine carries over with slightly more horsepower and slightly less torque, but also gets a new 6-speed automatic transmission. With the CVT, the 4-cylinder Accord returns an estimated 27 mpg city, 36 mpg highway, while the new 6-speed automatic helps the V6 achieve 21 mpg city, 34 mpg highway. The exterior on the new Accord didn't change much from last year, but the 2013 is slightly smaller than its predecessors and modified with a cutting-edge exterior design in mind. The 2013 Accord will feature the new Honda Link connectivity system that integrates internet audio streaming, social media applications, and cloud-based content through iPhone and Android apps. So why wait? Come on down to see the new 2013 Honda Accord at Motor World Honda.